Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. GIF, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. Fifth house, love given. It shows you the love I give. Sports, children, creativity, amusements, love that you give, love affairs, speculations, romance. Natural sign is Leo. Natural ruler is Sun. Keyword is creativity. Fifth house is a house of life and fire. Quality is succeedent house. General, the fifth house shows children, love, romance, pleasures, fun, holidays, vacations, games, speculations, hobbies and a vocation. It includes your emotional attitude and the love you give. It shows your business, as well as sports shops, unique and creative. It also indicates the ability to dramatic, literary or artistic. The fifth house shows publishing, politics, fine arts, social issues, pregnancy and children's education. Any group you belong to in terms of fun, bowling league, sewing circle, bridging club, etc., is described by this house. Saturn in the fifth house. The planet Saturn located in the fifth house of your birth horoscope suggests that it is more difficult for you than for most others to experience joy in your social life. It may come from your childhood. While all the other children seem to be living a happy, carefree life, something weighed on your soul and prevented you from fully enjoying your childhood. It is also possible that the death of a loved one, perhaps a father, had a significant effect on your early life. As a result, you are still inclined to hold back rather than fully indulge and enjoy some fun. It is even possible that sadness still hangs over your life, preventing you from fully experiencing joy. Because of this, it can be easy for you to enjoy your work, but difficult to experience the same pleasure after work. While your friends and coworkers spend parties, you sit at home and catch up on the few remaining tasks from the office. The saying all work and no play makes a dumb person could be something to watch out for in your life. It is possible that with awareness, you can gradually make changes in your life to include more fun. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.